Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss how to communicate better in English at your own. How to be able to express your views well. Actually, this I was thinking to share with my students, specifically in India and Africa. But now I have thought that let it be known to all, and if anybody gets some benefit out of it, I shall be very happy to know. So these tips are personal and may be useful for those who have strong desire to learn and speak in English. You must feel your strong need and the benefit you will get once you start speaking fluently and able to truly express your views to others. In case you don't learn English, what will be your loss? The bad consequences can also motivate you to go ahead properly. To start with, to communicate well in English, you need to learn the language first with due emphasis to four areas, that is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So have clear strategy to improve upon each of these areas. Learn like a child. Be very curious to know new things. First, try to improve your vocabulary. Otherwise, while speaking, you may fall short of right words to express your thoughts adequately. Next, to improve your vocabulary, remain alert to see use of words by others in articles, books, newspapers, blogs. See, if you do not know the words, note the same and search in Google for details. Learn more daily and use it frequently. Read English newspapers daily, either online or offline, and make it a daily habit. Note at least 5 words which you are not aware of. Keep note in a copy which is easily accessible to you. So suppose you do not know what is IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, then be curious to learn it and develop. Search Google and learn more about it. Improve your understanding on tenses, noun, grammar, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, and check how you can use same words in different forms correctly at your advantage. Practice regularly. Even if you are not perfect and satisfied, go on trying. This may be applicable to not only beginner but also to advanced person. We are also engaged in continuous learning. We learn from each other. Learn from your mistakes, especially in writing and speaking. If you are a student, try to volunteer to answer a question when asked for in the class. You will not only get chance to correct yourself, but also it will help you to slowly get rid of stage fear. Be free to face failures and learn. Failures are great teachers. Those are building blocks, help you to go closer to success. Learn more from others' failures also. Listen to others. Learn more by listening. Remember good points and punctuations. Learn grammar very sincerely. Try to develop each day. Have short-term plans to fulfill a long-term goal. Never quit trying. Few more tricks will be discussed in another video. So subscribe to my channel and see my videos regularly. It may take only 10 minutes or less, but it may help you throughout your life. Next, read children's books. Listen to concerned YouTube videos. Learn something new daily. Do not hesitate to invest your time for your learning and development. Watch TV, DVDs, English movies, TEDx lectures. Spare at least 15 to 20 minutes time daily to develop in English communication. When you study, focus on study. Sit in a quiet place early morning when you will be less disturbed. Take up online courses from institutions like edX, Coursera, Udemy. I took up IELTS course from EQX, Australia, University of Queensland. So enjoyed learning. Use online services like BBC Service, British Council's free teaching program, British Embassy Council's programs. So try to communicate through your body parts movements also. Body language also is a very important factor in communicating your views. So remember, your hands can also convey many things more than speaking. This is an example. Use your intuition. Collect your thoughts. Use post-its. Note it. Take responsibility of learning. Think you are responsible for your learning and development. So what you can do? Do not make excuses for being irregular to learn. Never procrastinate. Be always open to learn more and better. Use online dictionary. Learn sentences, not only words. Give dictation on special issues. Record your voice. Check it. Talk to yourself in English. Speak by heart. Practice journaling daily. Write at least 2 to 3 pages daily on certain trending issues or any evergreen topic. Check your learning curve grows over the months. Speak in your natural way. Do not imitate others. Be your own natural self. Learn from others, but be on your own. Do not stretch yourself too much. No need. No need to stretch yourself too much. Small daily improvements are enough. Otherwise, you will leave this halfway. So be consistent in learning. More you learn, better it is for you. Make sure people understand your views. Repeat. If required, ask questions. Accept feedback heartily. Find out what is best website to learn English. Start exploring. This way you will learn. Every chance you take will improve your understanding. Slow your speaking speed. Let others understand you well. Allow yourself to think. Maintain your own speaking style. Do something daily and check at the week what is your weekly highlight, how you have learned. Say suppose 5 items I am just telling you. How many books you read in the week? How many words noted to learn and practiced? How many blogs and YouTube videos watched? How many online courses taken up for study? How much stress you give on points stated above? So if you at least do something on these points, whatever I have told to you, it will improve you, and every week improvement will be a great improvement throughout the year. So concentrate and develop yourself. Maintain the speed. Don't quit in between. So wish you good luck. Thank you.